first ride up the gondola. But guess what? I had my cousin with me. And we held each other tight. And we cried together. Closed our eyes together. Until we made it. This is the part where I get really scared. Like when the gondola hits this station area. Just like. It's like, oh, the scariest part. But after a few rides, I think you get used to it, right? Well, I got used to it. So we came from all the way there, parked there, and we're gonna do the hike up here. So you could actually hike this direction up, but now we're gonna do the lazy hike. Alright, well, we are here. Grab the bag, grab the bags.
Grab the bag.
Grab the bags. And here we go. Oops. Don't forget the bag. Oeschinensee.
Mountain coaster. The mountain coaster.
The weather is actually very nice.
Yes, perfect.
There's another one closer to the lake. Yeah. The whole place is closed up now. But this view is just, oh my god, every time. I just can't get enough of it.
It's a little bit colder.
Hmm?
It's a little bit colder up here.
Cows are nice here. They are your friend here. Oh, you just missed it. The cow just peed. Oeschinensee, here we come. Here we come. Lisa. Lisa is the greeting of burn.
From this spot there.
Yep, I want to do some videos from up there. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, some famous hiking routes.
Like
Naturally.
Natuurlijk.
Natuurlijk, I think the word over this.
Hands off.
Hands off, here we are.
Look at this view. Wow. So something's happening here. The water used to come all the way up here, and now we have no water, and the stones are falling down. So they had to like barricade this whole place over here, and the water is not so blue like before, and that was just a year ago. So I don't know, maybe late summer we'll get the water back, but right now it's just dry. And it has been a bit dry here. The whole spring there was no rain, so that too. But yeah. So here we are on the Oeschinensee, and the water is actually not so full. Yes, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful day, beautiful weather. Not so crowded here. We're here on a weekday. Come fly with me. Come roll with me.
Roll, 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 gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
So I'm just filming, but I'm not in it. So let me show myself a little bit.
There is an alp, you see it?
The huts.
The huts, the huts, the huts, the huts.
Beautiful day. Beautiful. So tell me about the Oeschinensee.
The Oeschinensee was created by the big Oeschinen monster. Once he was sitting on the mountain, then it thought it's so boring here, only rocks. Then the Oeschinensee was throwing the biggest rock it could find down from the mountain, and the rock formed a big hole where the water could collect and became the Oeschinensee. Yeah, that's the story of the Oeschinensee.
The story of the Oeschinensee. Okay. over. We are walking down to the car. I'm gonna do you hear the sound of the bells? The cows. Do you hear the sound of the cow ringing that bell? Ringing that bell. They're so close to the trail. They are really Swiss cows. They're not aggressive. They don't run after you. You can hike past them and it's all good. Hey cows, how you doing? Fresh grass, yummy, yummy, yummy. There's a waterfall over here. And down we go. Hey guys, so I have this funny story I want to tell you. We are walking down our hike, but a couple of years ago, my mother-in-law had her birthday over here at Oeschinensee, and she said we're gonna sled down the slope, but I didn't know it was this steep, so I agreed. And then everyone is going so fast. My husband passed me, everybody passed me, and all I could think of was I'm gonna fly off the cliff. And so there was another path that we just missed. It's kind of like a slower path, but I missed that, and my husband was like, go there, and I was like, no, I want to follow you guys. And oh my goodness, that was the scariest slope I ever slid down. And you can say never, but I'm gonna say I will never do that again. I had fun. Well, it was scary fun, but I did it and I was proud of myself. But I don't think I'm gonna do it ever again. But yeah, it was, just check YouTube.